Hello guys, welcome back to another short video on Python. In today's video, we are going to learn how to shorten URLs in Python. As you can see here in this example, I searched for install pandas in PyCharm Mac, and here I got one URL which will take me to the results directly here. There might be some other scenarios where you have long URLs like this, you want to shorten it and use it in your application. So let's see how we can achieve that one in our Python application. For that one, let me open the code editor first. The first thing which you need to do here is you need to install Pyshorteners library. For that one, go to your terminal and in the terminal type pip install Pyshorteners. Then press enter. So this is a library which we are going to use for shortening our URLs. Once we have installed this one, we can start writing our script. For that one, the first thing which we need to do here is install the necessary library for shortening the URL. For that one, go to terminal window and here type pip install pyshorteners, then press enter. So this pyshorteners is the library which we are going to use to shorten the URLs. Once this is done, you can begin with your script. For that one, first thing which we need to do in our scripting is import that pyshorteners. For that one, add the code import pyshorteners. So this line allows us to access the functionalities which are provided by pyshorteners. The next thing which we need is the URL. As we have a URL of Google, we can mention that URL here. So let's copy that URL and store it in this URL variable. I'll copy this URL and let's paste it here. As you can see here, this is a long URL which we got here. So this is the best example of shortening this long URL. Once we are defined this URL, the next thing is we'll create a object of this shortener. For that one, I will add a variable by name s, then add by shorteners, then mention the method shortener. So this line actually creates an instance of shortener class from Pyshorteners library. Next, we can shorten the URL. We will use the TinyURL service to do this one. For that one, let me add one variable by name short underscore URL is equals to s dot tinyurl dot short, and within the open and close bracket mention the URL which you want to shorten. Here s.tinyurl service within the shortener instance, and dot short URL is a method call that takes URL as a parameter here and returns a shortened version of that URL. And finally, we are going to store the results in short underscore URL. That's it. Now we got our URL which is shortened. So let's print that one, and within the print I will add the message as shortened URL and add the URL which you got here. That's it. Now let's run our script. Now you can see we got a small URL or shorten the URL. So when I click on this one, you can observe it redirected me to that URL directly here. This is small but very useful feature in some of the application which you create in Python. So that's it guys for this short video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.